was I doing? This one here. Oh. Oh, it's a very dark green, this one. It's weird because it didn't look as dark on the lid. So I hope that you're all well and keeping busy. Our group is just doing wonders. We've had lots and lots of pledges for lovely handmade gifts. Everyone's been so busy. It's been amazing. So if you you know, want to join our group, it's Crafting for the Heroes on Facebook, and just type that in and you'll be able to find me. Right, one more little bit, I think. Let's just do little dots here. Like that. And oops, what I might do is, oops, there's another green. Where am I here? Just do these little bits up here. I think, is it twice or 3 times now I've pulled them alcohol markers out? Is it 3 times? I do not know. I'm going to take them out and throw them in the bin. I'm joking. It's actually quite nice to have got them out. I mean, this pick and mix challenge is... it's great actually, because I'm definitely using things that I would never normally go, you know, towards. It's not my first thing that I would pick, you know, to craft. So what I'm going to now do is just cut down some file folder. Let me just... oh, I've got my eggs out ready to use the blending inks. I thought, as we're doing pastels, right, let me just... cut that down a little bit thinner. So I'm just doing this just under 2, and we'll do it by 6, and then we'll see how we're doing here and to place this the best way possible. So I'm just going to cut the end off. I think what I'm going to do actually is cut it to about there, and then the topper bit can be there, I think. Let's just try that. And we'll keep that other little butterfly for something else. See, that could go on another project, that could. And then what I'm going to do is pop this on here. Like so. Let's just chop this down. Right. Got there in the end. Like that would be super cute. It's just like a little, I could sew that on or something. Right. Okay. God, it's hot in here. I think I've got my heating on way too hot. And I'm like, oh, it's warm in here. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my blending chalks, and I've got pink and I've got blue. So what I'm going to do, let's do the pink one on the outside of this. They're nice, aren't they? And if I could find my glue, I think my Fabri-Tac's nearly empty now. See what I mean about it going through? So always do your colouring first before you do you put it on your project, because it probably will go through unless it's really, you know, thick cardstock. It'll go through. Right, and then I think what I'm going to do is use the blue for the outside of the tag. That's what I call it. It's like a grey. These are quite nice pastel colours actually. And then I'm going to use this. Try and get that central. Oh, that's come out. It's cut a hole in the middle of me butterfly. Never mind. It's going to have ribbon in it anyway, so it doesn't matter. And I think what I'll do is let's find some trim or something to go down. I think I might put some bling on it on this one. A little bit of sequins. Let's have some sequins. Or shall I run some down the side? I think. I think I'm going to run some down the side of here. And what I'm going to do is cut it a little bit longer than what I need. Take a couple of these sequins off, if they'll get off. So kind of like having that stringy end like that. Actually, let's have it on this end because that's where we cut the wings off, so we won't notice it. There you go, that's cool. If I just run a bit of glue, if I can. It's going to be soon time to open my new one. Oh, come on. It's really not liking me today. No, it really is time for my new Fabri-Tac, I think. I think it's that time. Right, let's pop this down here. And I wonder if we can just pop the odd one. No, I don't like the oddies. Right, let's leave the odd ones off. But what I'm going to do is I have some lovely ribbon. This was from Stampin' Up days. Still got some left. Would you believe it? Hang on. Should I do that the other way around? No, we like it like that. Right, so let's leave that like that. And then maybe I'm going to get some stickles out. Shall we use some stickles today? I haven't used my stickles in years. They're probably all dried up, actually. Let's have a look. Let's use this one. We're going to do a sparkly tag today. Oh, look. Oh, they're all right. Gosh, I have had these for donkey's years. Right, let's put some. Let's put a little bit. Oh, look at that. Super sparkly. Loving it. It's sort of almost a unicorn sort of colour, isn't it? Let me find a... Oh, look at this one's nice. Get that one. Let's put some of this. Oh, this one doesn't like it. Oh. Oh, there you go. Right, let's put a few little... Gosh, I used to love using stickers. I used to, oh my god, I need to get these out. It's just when you're doing junk journals, you don't tend to use glittery things as much, but actually, look, aren't they gorgeous? I am loving this. Look at that. Doesn't that look super cute? I was worried when I started out because I thought, oh, it's going to look very boring, but actually I love it. I'm not going to do too much more to it because I think that you could overdo it, but I'm loving it. So there's my tag using my colouring books and my blending chalk and my alcohol markers. So that's 2 out of the 3 down. I will be back in a bit to do the other projects that I've got. In fact, I'm going to split this into 2 videos, so I'll probably do the other one tomorrow, and I'll pop this one up today so that you've got something to watch and keep you busy. So I think this is day 29 of isolation, so keeping very busy, trying to keep my mind off of things, because obviously they've extended the lockdown, but we knew that anyway, didn't we? So I hope you're all keeping well. Don't forget, if you want to have a look at the group, like to come and take part, Crafting for the Heroes, and it's on Facebook. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.